2012 GLK Class. Based on the C-Class, the GLK joins the small upscale SUV class. Its smooth 268 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 delivers quick acceleration and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, anti-theft security system, keyless entry, cruise control, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defroster, fog lamps, MP3 playback stereo, power windows, child safety rear door locks, power door locks, side airbag system, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.